little head-to-head experiment between the Eureka Airspeed vacuum, which has so far been the most useful vacuum cleaner I have owned, and the new Shark Rotator that we just got. It's supposed to be top of the line, top reviews for pet hair. It has the TruePet technology professional series, and we are going to vacuum first with the Eureka this pet hair infested carpet and see if the Shark picks up more out of this carpet than the Eureka does. Stay tuned. Okay, so we just vacuumed the living room carpet with the tried and true and nearly wore out Eureka Airspeed. Keep in mind this carpet was vacuumed just 2 or 3 days ago with 3 dogs and 2 cats and myself, and we'll go empty this and show you what came out. Okay, so that's what came out of the carpet 2 or 3 days ago, and this is what came out today with the Eureka. Not terrible. Trying to do this one-handed. There we go. So now let's go see if the Shark picks up any more. There's one of the hairballs there. Well, I've had this Eureka and it's done the best for picking up pet hair for 7-8 years now. So much so that the on switch is wore out. So now we're going to go over the carpet again with the Shark Rotator TruePet Professional. Alright, there's another hairball. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, I accidentally hit stop instead of re-record, so we're starting over again, but this is out of the new Shark Rotator after vacuuming with the Eureka upright Airspeed, and we're going to empty this and see what all came out. This is what came out of the approximately 10 by 12 carpet after vacuuming with the Eureka. See all this fine silt stuff. Not as much pet hair. Eureka did pretty good on the pet hair. But look at little tiny beads that the Eureka left behind. And it pulled all this silt stuff up out of the bottom of the carpet that the Eureka wasn't getting. Okay, so after the head-to-head between the old Eureka Airspeed, and I tell you, this little vacuum upright has been the best for getting deep down pet hair out of my carpets for 8+ years. They've used it so much that the on switch is wore out. And then we got the new Shark rope.
Alright, this is with it on the carpet mode. It seems to be picking up pretty good. You can definitely feel the suction. And let me put her on some hardwood floor for you. She's a lot quieter.
All right, room number 2 with the Shark first. This is what we got in here. And then going for the Bissell afterwards. But ain't hardly anything in here. So for suction power, I think we're going for the Shark, especially because this one is self-propellant, so it's ridiculously easy to use even though it's heavier. This one does not have self-propellant, so you actually have to push and use more muscle, and it's harder. So